If you are wondering if we have a dual app feature available on the Motorola Signature, then the answer is yes, but it is very limited. Only few apps can be cloned on this phone with the built-in dual app feature. In order to find it, you just have to go to settings and then choose apps. Now in here, you should be able to find cloned apps. And as you can see in here, you can, for example, clone WhatsApp, but that is pretty much everything that I can clone in my case, even though I have some other apps that potentially could be, it could be possible to duplicate them, like for example, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and so on and so forth. But as you can see, you can't. Therefore, as an alternative, you can use a secure folder instead, which allows you to duplicate apps quite easily. Although it is not really designated for that, it works just like these apps are duplicated. So as you can see here, I have Facebook app, which is separated from the Facebook app that I have in here in the app drawer. These two apps contain different data. I can use completely different accounts, so this can be treated as cloned version. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.